Hi, Alex. How was your weekend?
Hi, Ben. It was awesome. We went to the zoo.
The zoo. That fun. What animals did you see?
I saw lions, tigers, and bears.
Wow. Did you see any monkeys?
Yes, I did. They were swinging and playing.
I love monkeys. Did you feed any animals?
Yes, I fed a giraffe. Its tongue was so long.
That's amazing. I went to the park this weekend.
The park is fun, too. What did you do there?
I played soccer with my dad. We had a picnic too.
Nice. What did you eat at the picnic?
We had sandwiches and cookies.
Yum, I love cookies. Did you have fun?
Yes, I did. It was a great weekend.